Hello, everyone. We're going to get started on our Wednesday morning work. We are on page 46 in our morning workbook. If you please get that book and turn to page 46. I'm going to get the camera set up. Okay. All right. So yesterday we were talking about words that should be capitalized. And we've been talking about common and proper nouns. So it says, read the sentence. Underline any letter that should be capitalized. So I always know that the beginning of a sentence, the first letter has to be capitalized. So right away, I can go underline the T and the I. And you know what? We're going to underline them twice because in an editing tool, we always underline letters that need to be capitalized. We underline them twice like this. The beginning always has to be capitalized, okay? But also because this is this person's name, Bree. So let's go back to number 1. The teacher told Rachel and Letitia to stop chatting. Okay, we know that the first letter should be capitalized. What else should be capitalized? The names of these people. So 2 little lines under these 2. And then number 2, I named my pet hamster Lulu because I like that name. Okay, beginning of the sentence is capitalized. Lulu is a name, so we're going to capitalize the first L. And then what about this I? The word I is always capitalized. Always, always, whether it's the beginning or not. It always is capitalized if it's just the word I. Number 3, Bree is proud of her dog, Rusty, because he always obeys. We capitalize the beginning also because it's her name, but we have Rusty. Rusty is the name of her dog, so we have to capitalize Rusty. And number 4, Grandma says that my cousin Willie plans to visit us. Grandma is the beginning of the sentence. Willie is the name of the cousin. All right. Make sure if you need to make any corrections or add any of them, make sure you get those written down. Press pause if you need to, because I'm going to move down to math. All right, in math, solve each division equation. Write a multiplication equation that can help you. All right, so 24 divided by 6 equals something, or 6 times what equals 24? If I skip count by 6, 12, 18, 24, that's 4 times I've counted. So that means that 24 divided by 6 is 4. 12 divided by 6 is the same as 6 times what equals 12? 6, 12. That's 2. Counted 2 times, so that would be 2. 25 divided by 5 is the same as 5 times what equals 25? If I skip count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, that's 5 times that I did that. 21 divided by 3 is the same as 3 times what equals 21? Okay, if I skip count by 3 up until 21, how many times did I skip count? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. That's 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. 30 divided by 10 is the same as 10 times what equals 30. If I skip count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, that's 3 times I did it. Okay. You may have drawn pictures and things like that. That's just fine. Make sure you check your answers to make sure they're correct. All right, press pause if you need to, because I'm going to move down to the story. All right, the story says, read the text to make a picture in your mind as you read. Ryan and his mom were walking on their favorite trail across a big field surrounded by trees. Suddenly, the sky became dark and cloudy. The wind blew strongly and made the trees' leaves wiggle wildly. Tiny raindrops started falling all around. Ryan and his mom felt the raindrops on their skin. Luckily, the trail was very close to their house, so they smiled as they walked home. All right, draw anything you pictured in your mind as you read. All right, so what I pictured was, I pictured his house. Right there. And then like a trail walking out into this field. Maybe that's corn or something. And there's trees. And the leaves are blowing. And the sky is dark. So it's blowing everything. And so the people are walking. The raindrops. Walking back home. Okay? You might have something similar. You might have something completely different. All right. We're going to flip it over and talk about what you're going to work on today. So today on page 47, it says rewrite. So you have to rewrite it. The sentence, use a capital letter where needed. Okay? The baseball team practices on Tuesdays and Fridays. Some of these words need to be capitalized. Which ones? And then rewrite it the correct way with the words that should be capitalized. On Saturday, Alice found a penny in her pocket. So go through here and check which should be capitalized and then rewrite them on this line correctly. All right? In math, we're going to divide. So if it helps you to write the multiplication problem next to it, then do that and help yourself solve, okay? Draw pictures. If you need to draw pictures for, say, let's pretend I have 12 divided by 3, okay? I can make 3 circles, and I can pass out 1 to each one until I get to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, so I get 4. Okay, so do that for each one. And then for our story, it says, cover the picture. Okay, I'm going to cover the picture. Make a picture in your mind as you read the text. Then uncover the picture and answer the question. So I'm going to cover the picture. Have you ever taken a mud bath? It's a bath made of mud. The warm, dark, slimy mud feels calming. To take a mud bath, you spread mud on your face and body. Close your eyes and relax. Okay, the question says, does the picture match with the picture in your mind? Yes or no, why? Or why not? All right, so that is your morning work for today. Go ahead and get that finished. And then we are going to head over to vocabulary next. Let me come back and say goodbye from here. Oh, I need to go to this one. Sorry. All right. I will see you in vocabulary. Thank you, guys.